Just spotted another one, and he's hiding up. Unfortunately, he's right behind a water pipe. I'll see if I can get a better position on him. He's still behind the water pipe. Let's see. I'm not in a very good position. Nailed him. Right, this is the one I just shot from by the water pipe. Again, I'm a size 10 in a welly. So what we're going to put this one at? Oh blimey, he's not that big at all really. I'd put him about size 6. So not a bad size rat. Not as big as what I've seen at some of the chicken sheds, because I'm actually shooting at the dairy farm tonight. But yeah, nice size 6 rat. That'll do. And obviously it's a rat that was of breeding age and would have been adding to the population, but not anymore. Anyway, there you go. That's that one. I shall leave him out for the farm cats now, so they get a meal, and I'm off to the next one. See you in a minute.